How's everybody doing this morning? It's Thursday morning, December 10th, 2015, and what I wanted to share with y'all today is what you can do right now just to see the potential of what you can make in the small cap market. And I'll just go to Yahoo Finance, and we'll go ahead and get started on you seeing the potential of how you can grow your money. All right. Let's see here. I'm going to, let's see here. God. I'm going to bring this over here. Okay, this is Yahoo Finance. Everybody has access to Yahoo Finance that has internet connection and a device. So what I do and what you can do is, okay, this is Yahoo Finance. You can go to yahoofinance.com up here, and then you go to market data. Okay, you scroll down, and then you click on the big percent gainers on the day. You click more. You can get more of them. You can load 10 more. Okay. Now, the first thing that I look at is, of course, the price. If you're starting out with a small account, you need anything less from, other than $6. Okay, so I'm going down through here, and okay, this is $5. Okay, it's a good price. Next thing we look at the volume. It's 219,000. Anything over than 100,000, you can get in and out pretty quick. All right, the percent change is 44%, which is, it's moving. It's over 10%. We're looking at anything for 10% and over. Alright, well, we've got the price and we've got the volume. Let's click on the company and see, what this company's about. Alright, let's see what is making, the next thing, I'm sorry. The price, the volume, and then the market cap. Okay, we've got to see what the market cap is. The market cap is 92 million. Okay, which is good. Anything from 10 million to 500 million, that's what we want, because those stocks can move. Okay. Now, let's see why the stock is moving. There's a press release at 9:02 this morning. U.S. stock futures point to first gain in 4 days. Let's see. Okay. Goes public with 113 million offer. Makes bid to acquire LoJack. Okay, so there is a buyout going on. Let's see here. This is a company that I really want to look into. Okay, offers to acquire. Okay, they reported financials apparently. So let's look at this. CalAmp's offer provides LoJack shareholders with immediate and certain cash value at a significant premium. Combination would create a market leader. Okay, well, see, a leading provider of wireless products, services, and solutions today announced that it has made an offer to acquire all the outstanding shares of a common stock of LoJack Corporation, a provider of vehicle theft recovery systems and advanced fleet management solutions, for $5.50 per share in cash. Okay, so now we know why the stock is moving. So we come over here and we, just to go back, it's moved 44% on the day, which is good. The price is good. The volume is over 100,000, which is good. We're just going through here and making, crossing off our checklist. Okay, price is good, percentage is good, volume is over 100,000, which is good. The market cap is between 10 million and 500 million, which is good. Now let's go to the keys to more about the company. And what I do is I look at the float. The float is basically how many, it's the difference between the shares outstanding and the volume. I do believe I'll make another video, on the float, but if the float is like 10 million or less, the stock has more potential to really go. So the float is 16, which is pretty good. And then shares short. Shares short is when basically you have a lot of people betting against the stock, and they're shorting the stock, so they make money when the stock goes down. You find it in big competition. We don't think your company's going to be good, so we're betting against the stock, and they push the stock down. But see, when news comes out like this, it scares the short sellers. Well, the short sellers have to buy in to cover their short. So when they buy in, the stock rises. Okay, so there's 43,000 shares short of the stock, and it's already traded, over 200,000, so that'll cause a big increase in the price. So let's go back over here and look at the chart. We'll go to 5 days. See this big jump? Okay, what we'll do now is it's already spiked real high. Okay, we'll scroll out to 1 year and see where support is. Okay, where is support? Let's see here. Okay, well, there's really not a clear definition where support is, so what we're going to do is we don't want to buy right now because that'll be chasing the stock, and it lowers your chances of making a winning trade. So what we'll do is we will watch this stock, and we'll watch it, and it looks like it's, we're going to watch and see if there's a certain price level where the stock will stay at, and which will create support. And what we'll do is if we'll just watch the stock right now. We don't want to buy it. We'll watch the stock, what it does, and if it starts moving up into the close, we'll go ahead and buy it. Or if it creates a support, we'll buy it at support level, and we'll go from there. But I just wanted to show y'all, even if you was this, we could have bought it at when it broke past 350. You could have bought it at 375, and you could have made over $1 a share on this stock, which is big money. Even if you invested $500. Let's see here. Buying past breakouts past resistance. You would have bought it at 375. Clearly broke past it right here. Bought it at 375 and went all the way up to 525. You could sell it at 5. So let's say if you invested $500, divided in to 375. It's 133 shares you would have of the company. Okay, well, 5 minus 375. It's $1.25. So you'd have made $1.25 a share times 133 shares, I believe. $1.25 times 133. You made $166. It's good money. You bought it past a breakout. When it break passes resistance, you could buy. Let's just see if you had $1,000. $1,000. You invested $1,000 divided into 375. You'd have 200 and. Hold on, is that right? Yeah. $5,000 divided by 375. You have 266 shares times $1.25 a share. You're looking at $333. You know, and this is how you grow your account. Now, once you get to the point to where you can invest $5,000, you know, I mean, the gains get bigger, guys. I mean, 5,000 divided by 375. You got 1,033 shares times $1.25 a share is what you made. You're looking at, $1,500. So you can grow your account with these stocks, buying stocks that break out past resistance on news. You have a news catalyst. You know why the stock is moving. It has broke past a key resistance level. This is how you can make money in the stock market, and it happens every day. There's patterns. These patterns are the same, and it's been happening for years, and I'm finally getting to understand this. I finally got an awesome mentor. If you're watching this video and you're interested, in this video, I'm going to share this video on Facebook. I know it's kind of boring. Believe me, I know. I've watched all these videos and training on these stocks, but you have to love it, but you also have to see the potential of how you can make a lot of money. Okay, everybody wants financial freedom, and it's just, I see money as a tool. Okay, I see money as a tool, and I want to do a lot of things in my life. And I want to help a lot of people in my life, just because that's just who I am. I enjoy helping people. I mean, I get a kick out of it. It's a little bit selfish on my end, but I just want to help a lot of people, and I want to share, with people what I know and how, it can help them. And one of those aspects is finding financial freedom, and this is the way I know how to do it. You can make a lot of money doing this. And it's not about the money. It's about the end game of what you can do with the money. It's just like me and my wife. We want to get our dream home down there in Gulf Shores, in the Gulf area. I want to build a place big enough to where I can have my family down there. I want to, me and my wife want to start our own charity. We want to give back, and that's what it's about. It's about being the best human being you can possibly be, whether it's finances, spirituality, and physical, because the mind and the body is all one. And that's where, I've come to understand in my life, you have to have all aspects in tune with each other. And as far as on the finance side, this is how you can make money, guys. I'm going to share this on Facebook. If y'all are interested, then please comment. I can even, just comment and say, okay, I want to know more. Okay? If you do want to know more, then comment, below this video and let me know. If not, that's fine. I can understand that. This is a boring video. It's a guy talking over the computer. So I understand if you don't like it or not. That's fine. But if it does interest you, comment. Let me know. And if you want to know more, you can comment and let me know. And I can give you my personal email address. So I can even give you, I can email you the night before. I can give you some watch list. You don't have to do anything. I can just give you some watch list and, explaining these are the stocks that I'm looking for the next day. And you can actually see for yourself of what the stock will do. And I can make video lessons and show y'all, if y'all want to, of what I'm looking at, what my mentor is looking at, and we can change lives here. It's just all on you. It's all on you. All I can do is just share what I know, and that's all I can do. But if you do like it, let me know. You can visit NateTheStockGuy.com. I've got some awesome blog posts on there. This is actually going to be a blog post on my website. Join our newsletter. Most of y'all know who I am. I'm